Hello everybody and welcome back to Computer Tech World channel, and in this video we are going to see how can you disable automatic Windows update. Sometimes Windows update might occur automatically in the background, and while installing it may slow down your system performance, and not to mention about data charges applied due to that. It may take up to 1.5 GB or maybe 2 gigabytes of data. So it is a necessary feature and you should disable it only if necessary. You shouldn't disable it because you might miss some crucial security updates pushed by Microsoft. So I'll be mentioning three methods here. The first method is you know okay, it's recommended, but the last two methods which I'm going to show is not recommended and should be done only if necessary. So let's get started. So guys, I am on the screen of the desktop, and on the first method we are going to use group policy editor, and note that you must restart your PC to take changes after each step. Okay, so this group policy editor is available only in Windows 10 Pro and Workstation and Windows 11 Pro. It's not available in Windows 10 Home Edition. So we'll move on to how to disable Windows Update through Group Policy Editor for now. So if you don't have Windows 10 Pro or Workstation Editor, you can move on to these methods. So in the first method, you press Windows key plus R, which is available in your keyboard, and type in GPEDIT, which is gpedit or group policy editor .msc. Click on OK. So the group policy editor will open after a few seconds. So the local group policy editor has been opened. We'll follow each step which I have mentioned in the notepad. So let's follow. First we'll go to computer configuration. So in computer configuration, after that administrative templates, which is here, expand it. Then Windows components, which is here, expand it, and we will go over to Windows Update. So here is Windows Update. So let me do full screen now. So I have found configure automatic updates. You should double click on that and you should make sure that it is disabled. Click on OK. So now the automatic updates should be disabled. So make sure you restart your system now, but I am not going to do because the screen recording will stop. So we'll check over Windows Update. Some warning might be there. So here, as you can see, the warning issue is there. Some settings are managed by your organization. So the warning is that your organization has turned off automatic updates. It means the policies have been applied successfully. So moving on to the next step, which uses registry editor. So this is a very crucial feature in Windows systems. So follow with me, don't change anything which I am not doing, because if you do any changes which I am not doing, your system might become unusable, and it might crash. So we will open up registry editor by pressing Windows key and R in the keyboard and type in regedit.exe and click on OK. We will click on yes if prompted. So we will go to hkey local machine. Then we will go to software policies, Microsoft software. Then we will go to policies, Microsoft. Then we'll move on to Windows here. So here in Windows, you might not find this Windows update key by default, so you should create one key. So select Windows key here, right click on that and click on new and click on key. Name it as Windows update without any space between them, but I am not creating because already it has been created. So we'll go to Windows update and we will create one more new key naming AU, but I already have it, so I won't be creating it. So in AU you have to create D word 32-bit value by right clicking on the right pane, click on new, selecting D word 32-bit value, and we will name it as no auto update. I'll be you should pressing enter key, but I will not press because already no auto update key is there. So after creating that D word 32-bit value, double click on that. You must be having value data as 0. Change this value data to 1 and base to hexadecimal. Click on OK, and that's it for method number 2. Next method number 3, using services.msc, Windows Update Service. So this this service is absolutely crucial for running Windows Update and other system services. So disable this service only if necessary. Only necessary. If you disable this service, you might lose any Windows features like Microsoft Store and all those other things. So however, I have to show you now. So we will open up run dialog box by pressing Windows key and R simultaneously. We will type in services.msc. Okay, it will take a few seconds to open, or maybe several seconds on some systems. Okay, now so my services has been opened. We will go full down and we will see Windows Update. Double click on that, click on disabled, stop it, but I will not stop. Okay, I will keep myself as manual only. So after clicking on disable, click on stop, and after that you should click on apply immediately. So and afterwards OK, but I am cancelling it now. I don't want my Windows Update to disable because of some crucial features. So guys, this is it. How can you disable Windows Update automatically installing background? Let me know in the comments how was the video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.